Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien from TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. I'm going to get this mic done yet. It's just, must be the full moon that's jumping off me, man. You are only responsible for your half of the relationship. There are two halves in every relationship, but you're only responsible for the half, your half of the relationship. It's not up to you to control the other half. Respect the other half, and there's always going to be peace in that relationship. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 1, NASDAQ up 3, S&P's flat. Gold contract down $1.60, trading at $1,255 an ounce. Silver down 22 cents, $17.93 an ounce. Platinum down 14 bucks at $9.40 an ounce. Copper down 4 pennies at $2.60 a pound. Light sweet crude up 80 cents, $53.04 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 2 ticks, 124.28. 30-year bond up 8 ticks, 150.124. King dollar down 147 ticks, traded at 100.970. The euro is 105 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 110.97 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You have a market that got up to 236.25 today. You close at 235.29. Bottom line, just can't handle higher price. There's 62 million shares. 62 million was going into the April 5th time frame of 108 million, as well as 131 on the 21st. You can just see there's more supply than demand, folks. Bottom line, this baby will try to make it down into the lows that were established out here on the 27th of March. This is 231. Right now, you're at 235.29. Dow Industrials, same type of setup in the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials try to get back inside the downdraft from the 15th of March, 21st of March, rather. That number is 20,653. That's the low of that downdraft. We made it up to 20,750. You closed at 20,658. So you're in it like by 5 points. Bottom line has to get a lot more than that. Volume, light volume, that Dow, that wants to run down, try to get into the 27th low, which is 20,412. And right now you're at 20,658. The composite, NASDAQ composite also gave it up. Composite got to a high today of 59.07. You're closed at 58.80. That close, yep, it's under all the highs of the last couple of days. We'll see how it tries to get into the 58.56, which is right now 26 points lower than we are. NDX 100 also failed, couldn't hold price. NDX 100 got to 132.56. You closed at 132.02. That's sideways movement. We've been going sideways for quite a while now. The NDX, as well as the NASDAQ, as the composite, did test its highs and failed on the 5th of April. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold, folks, you get an ABC structure on the way up, confirmed ABC on the way up. You're down $1.40. You're trading at $12.55. The price projection is $1,313. Silver. Different animal in silver. Now, silver, so this week here, folks, we only have a 4-day trading week. Markets are closed. All markets are closed Good Friday. So we close on Thursday. It's going to be interesting to see what they do to the metal market over this weekend. What silver did do today is that it got into a lower low, which it needed it to do the repair damage that was done on Friday. And it closed inside the bar. So we'll see whether silver can get up into this 1849 once again. I expect it's going to. What we did out here on Friday, you got the volume going. You took out a swing point with 119,000 contracts. Then you just gave it up on price, and that's what silver just loves to do. Silver almost moved 90 cents from the highs to the lows. We went from 1849 to 1786. That was pretty insane. Well, 49.59, 64 cents. But big number. Today, you got to a lower low. We did reject where the strength was as well as the lows of Friday. So now it has a shot to move to higher price. The notes and the bonds, they're both in ABC structures on the way up. So both of them are also saying that interest rates continue down versus up. And, of course, we know that the Federal Reserve, short-term interest rates, they are raising, period. The market is lowering the 10-year note. Right now, we're 2.362. What we are going to have is that at 4:15, Janet Yellen's going to be giving a speech, and we'll see how that affects the futures. The futures will close at 4:15, but then they'll open back up shortly right after that. We'll see how that's going to affect those future markets. We take a look at the 30-year. 30-year bond also is an ABC structure on the way up. 30-year bond right now is trading at a price point of 151.25. That's a confirmed ABC structure up over the 155 level. And then good old King Dollar. King Dollar, folks, continues to have a hard time holding higher price. We got to 101.265. We closed at 100.980. That's under the highs of Friday, where Friday we did have some strength in good old King Dollar. So bottom line, now we'll see how it backs down. I suspect the first back down will be 100.560, and we'll see how that handles price. If, in fact, we come off these levels once again, and if you come off them with volume expanding. If we come off with volume expanding, bottom line, that is going to be saying that that's the end of the counter-trend bounce inside the U.S. dollar. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Dow Industrials finished up 1. NASDAQ was up 3. S&P's up 0.5 point. We're going to be right back, folks.
It's that time of the year again, and that means the Spring Tiger Dollar Sale is back. TFNN has just announced that our best Tiger Dollar Sale of the year is back this week only. Right now, you can get up to a 50% bonus on whatever you spend on Tiger Dollars. Tiger Dollars can be used for any TFNN newsletter or service and are a great way to add extra savings to any TFNN product. Tiger Dollars never expire and are fully transferable. Whether you're a current subscriber or plan on purchasing anything in the future, this is a great time to get your Tiger Dollars. Remember, this sale ends Sunday and we're closed on Friday with the market, so don't delay. The Spring Tiger Dollar Sale with the potential to earn a 50% bonus on your purchase only comes around once a year, so don't let it pass you by. For all the details and to get your Tiger Dollars today, visit the front page of TFNN.com.